Do you know the signs that you need Northglenn, Colorado multifamily HOA development roofing repairs? Neglecting roof repairs leads to costly damages and safety hazards. Here are 5 signs that your multifamily building's roof is in need of repairs. Notice any water stains on ceilings or walls? It's a clear indicator of a roofing issue. Roof Worx can prevent further damage and potential mold growth. Are shingles damaged or missing? This compromises the roof's integrity and requires immediate attention. Roof Worx can help. Do you notice any sagging or spongy areas on your roof? This could indicate structural damage or excessive weight. Call Roof Worx to prevent a potential collapse. Are there excessive granules in your gutters or downspouts? Granule loss could mean your roof no longer provides adequate protection. Call us for an inspection. Have you noticed peeling paint, mold growth, or visible signs of moisture inside your building? This could mean your roof is failing. Call us for prompt repairs. Call Roof Worx to assess the roof of your multifamily building and ensure the safety and comfort of your tenants in Adams and Weld counties at 303-353-1825 today.